Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're doing a little maintenance on the 2022 Ford Maverick. This is something a lot of people avoid doing. Sometimes they actually take it to the dealership to do it. This is something you can simply do by yourself with a pair of pliers. And that's change your cabin air filter. Now if you go to Ford, they're going to charge you the labor rates. They're going to charge you the Ford price on the filter, which is about $32 if you buy the filter yourself straight from the Ford store. I'm not sure what the dealership's going to charge you on that. I bought this off of Amazon for $11.99, and this is actually a premium filter. It actually has carbon, so it'll cover up some of the odors too. Now, Ford recommends you change these about every 20,000 miles. I don't necessarily think that's necessary to change it that often, depending on what type of driving conditions you're in. You know, if you're in a dusty condition or whatever. I'm at 30,000 miles. I'm going to go ahead and change it now, and I'm going to show you how easy it is. Okay, first thing you need to do, obviously make sure your glove box is cleaned out because your cabin filter goes behind your glove box. So what you're going to do is you're going to open that up, and this is where you're going to need the tool right here. You're going to need your pliers just to squeeze this together a little bit and pull this off here. Okay, folks, I'm going to try and show you how to do this and on camera. It's a simple process, really, just getting your hand in there. You just take the pliers, gently squeeze this plastic on the end. Yes, it's plastic. It's going to get marked up, folks. Luckily, it's not something you're going to see all the time, but it is plastic, unfortunately. Now there's two tabs on either side of your glove box. There's one here. You're going to have to push that one out. And there's another one on the other side over here, if I can get to it and still show you on camera. Oop. There. And then that just drops down. There's where your cabin filter is, folks. There's a tab over here you got to push out and a tab over here you got to push out. All right, folks, I'm going to do the best I can to go ahead and show you how to do this. This is another simple process. It's not really that hard. Push the tab that way, push the tab that way. You're pushing them both out like that. And now you see, too, when you do take the filter out, here's the part number if you want to go ahead and go with the Ford one again. I don't know why you would, obviously. There's nothing special about it. Just more expensive with the Ford name on it. But there's your part number. There's an airflow. Make sure when you take the filter out and you put the new filter in, you have it go in the right direction. And of course, once it's open, the Ford filter is just basically a paper filter, folks. It's your standard airflow. You can see this one's a little dirty. Not horrible for 30,000 miles. You might be able to go 50,000 miles with the standard one. Like I said, it depends on your driving conditions. Let's grab the new filter. And like I said, folks, this is a lot more heavy duty compared to the Ford filter. But make sure you got the arrow pointing down. The arrow's actually on the side of this one. But this is a carbon filter. This one is definitely feels a little bit more heavy duty than the actual Ford one. It's not going in quite as easily. But like I said, it's made a little bit better. I'd probably be able to run this one to 100,000 miles. This might be the last filter change I do. Let's go ahead and close everything back up. That's how simple this job really was. All right, folks, thanks for watching the video. This is just something simple you can do. You don't have to pay the dealership for it. You can save yourself time and money by just doing it yourself. And of course, this is the air you breathe in your vehicle, so it just depends on how much you want to change it. But you can see how filthy this is. I got all kinds of stuff falling out of the dirty filter. But $11.99, couple minutes of your time, and you can do your own maintenance. Thanks for watching. Check out my other Ford Maverick videos. Bye for now.